What's up guys, we're BeautyLovesTech and today we're at Peters Canyon Regional Park in Orange County. We're about to hike the Peters Canyon Loop Trail.
Yeah, trail like 6 miles, about 6 miles, right?
6 miles, and it's supposed to be a moderately challenging hike, so we're ready to go and come along.
Come along, let's check hiking.
They say watch out for cactus and rattlesnakes here.
Snake. And I think it's winter time, they're not gonna come out. Maybe they come out only like summer, it's too hot.
Let's see.
Ooh, looks scary. Watch out.
They're so nice today, huh?
Yes. We start a little bit late, but it's really nice, like perfect. Have a sun, sky's so pretty, the trail is so easy. Right now we just started, right?
Yeah.
It's easy. Our first time hiking in the Peters Canyon.
Yeah, we've been trying to get here for a while now, but we keep ending up at the top of the world at Laguna Beach because we just love that hike.
Yeah.
So give this one a try. I thought make the rounds. We got the first hill coming up on. Looks pretty steep, huh?
Let's see. How the hill, sweetie?
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Too tough.
Is it easier more than top of the world?
Top of the world's a little bit harder. Let's see how it goes. Maybe
Let's see.
More difficult up ahead. We made it up the first hill. Up and over. Uh-oh, there's another hill coming up. We found our first baby snake. You gotta watch where you step around here.
Ooh, looks scary.
You like the hills, babe?
Yes.
Why?
It's more like adventure, you know?
It's more exercise, huh?
Exercise.
Yeah. It's better.
It's like for hiking.
It's a better workout. Up the hill. And as you walk up the hill, if you turn to your left, you can see a nice lake here. Peters Canyon Reservoir. So nice. We made it to the top.
The lake.
Yeah, look at this view. So nice. On to the next one. Walking through the cactus. Watch out for cactus, they said. Look at this. So nice. Wow, that's an interesting looking plant. Tired yet?
Not yet.
When you come up to this reservoir, don't make a right down this trail because you're going to end up on the street over there. Just keep following the back of the dam. Top of Peters Canyon.
Now you can feel.
A little bit tough. On to the next level. Making our way to the top. Yeah, we made it.
We made it to the top.
You can
Maybe
see,
like 1 hour we walked to the top.
you can see the reservoir down there in the distance. Pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. And turn to BC, the Newport Beach. It's a good hike.
Pretty nice view up here. You should come in this hike. It's not too far.
Yeah, you can do like 3 miles. You don't have to do 6 miles.
It keeps going actually. There's some trail that keeps going. I think another 3 miles, but this is looks like the biggest peak over here. So if you're in Orange County and you want a pretty nice trail with some nice views, you should come over, check out Peters Ranch Loop Trail. And I think this is the city of Orange.
Orange.
So come check it out.
Come check it out, guys.
That was a good hike, huh?
Yep. Now we try to go back.
Time to go down the hill.
Go down to the parking. Maybe you're already 1.5 miles.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. I think top of the world is more fun.
More
Top.
harder.
You should go see our video on that one. This poop along the trail reminds me that you can bring your horse here. It's riding on the trail. You bring your dog, what have you. Come to this park.